This video is brought to you by SamanthaBriggs.com, the easiest way to receive 100,000 in 2019. No selling and no website needed, completely turnkey. Click the link in the description and we'll see you on the inside for the free training.
First of all, do you like my outfit?
Hell yeah.
Because you bought it for me. Thank you, Julian. So I've mentioned this in the past, that my dog Kermit has a soap fetish. It took us a long time just to get it like on camera, because he usually sneaks into the bathroom or like the shower where there's some sort of soap somewhere, and he rubs his face against it and he loves it. Like, he loves wipes and he loves like bars of soap or soap residue. And it's like kind of creepy. Like, to the point the other day we found a bar of soap with like tooth marks in it, but just like one. Like, he took one good bite and was like, oh yeah. But I don't know why I've never thought to do this before, because I don't think it's bad for him. Like, he's not eating it. Like, he just wants to rub his face on it. So what I'm gonna try to do, I have no idea if this is gonna work, is have him review some soaps. So this might take a little bit of creativity and a little bit of patience. I might have to leave the room and like try and catch him doing it. But I got a big bag of soap here. This is basically Kermit's heaven. So I got a number of different types of wipes and a bunch of different kinds of soaps. What I did forget about buying soap though is that you can't like go into the store and buy a single bar of soap. So I had to buy like these packs of fucking soaps. Stocked up with soap until forever. If you're dirty, come to my house, I got the soap. You know what I'm saying? Hey with soap, you guys, yes. All right, I'll leave, see you guys. I say we just try and do this like a couple at a time and see what kind of soap does Kermit like the best. This is my dog reviews soap. Like, for real, it's not clickbait, it's like, we're really doing this. So I think I'm gonna start with like, should we start with wipes or should we start with soap?
Get him comfortable. Give him some wipes.
Okay, he likes wipes.
Oh, what the fuck y'all got planned?
So I think the way that I want to do this is to do like 3 at a time and narrow down his favorites. Okay, so this one is a yes to hydrate and restore. It smells like coconut. This is a Neutrogena cleansing towelette. I know that he has rubbed his face on these because I have purchased these before. So I know he likes to rub his face on these, but I don't know if he prefers to rub his face on these. And this is a Cetaphil gentle cleansing cloth. Samet is a gentle creature. Kermit, come! Do you like any of these? Huh? Oh, somebody likes the coconut.
You might be a little embarrassed.
Yeah, we might have to leave. That's when Thermit lets his true soap fetish out. Don't really care for that one. How about this one, bud? How about this one? What about this coconut one? Do you like that one? What is it? What's the matter? Mom didn't get you enough wipes and soap? So we had to take a little bit of a food break because someone has Cushing's disease and gets very hungry all at once. Oh, not in the soap mood? All right, now we're taking a fighting break. Are you guys done? Kermit, no one is judging you. We know you have a soap fetish. It's okay, just let it out. Why are you still crying? What if we tried some actual bars of soap? Look at, okay, this one is Dial. This says it's gold, clean, rinsing, and non-drying. Oh, do you smell that? Okay, it's like enough of this wipe. I want some soap. Okay, I'm opening it for you. True life, my dog has a soap fetish. This one is Dove. Ooh, Cool Moisture. What do you think about Cool Moisture? It's like I'm opening a bag of treats. Why don't we throw in a little something different? This one's Irish Spring. Here's this one. Like, oh, I like that one. Ooh. Oh. This is what I catch him doing in the shower. Like, if somebody leaves the shower door open, he just does this in there. Like the biggest creep in the world. Wow. I mean, this is pretty overwhelming. He prefers Irish Spring the most out of these wipes and these other soaps.
I think that's just his first choice.
Kermit, what about this one? You want to smell this one? Come smell this one. Want to smell that one? What's that one smell like? Huh? It's right here, bud. Bud, it's right here. Ooh, don't lick it. Ooh, it's right there. Does anyone know why he does this? Like, he does it on like dead stuff. Like, is there something in some soaps that is like, that smells like dead animal or something? Wow, Kermit loves Irish Spring. The funniest though is when he does it on certain like Lush bath stuff that has like glitter in it, and then he gets glitter all over his face. He likes the dial. Oh, he just licked the dial. Oh, wow. Oh, Kermit, don't lick it, bud. No. Do you like this one at all? No. You like these two? You like this one a lot. We're not judging you. This is a safe place. He likes style.
I like how he misses. Like he's not even making contact half the time.
Oh, he really likes style. Oh. Don't lick it. Okay, he likes the dial. I think he likes the Irish Spring the most. So far, that's his number. Okay, cleanse your palate. So far that's his number one. But I think dial is like a close second, but he keeps trying to lick that one. All right, so Dove, not so much. Dove we can put in the pile with the wipes. Kermit, we still have some more soaps in here for you to try. Caress, Fine Fragrance, Daily Silk. What do you think about that, bud? This one's a little different. This is a raw sugar pure bath soap. Ooh, that one's textured. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I mean, you can start reviewing it as soon as you want to. Shea Moisture, Coconut and Hibiscus Shea Butter Soap. What do you think of that one? Huh? What do you think of this one? Did you smell this one yet? Here, honey. Smell that one. You don't like those?
He's like, give me back that Irish Spring, bitch.
This is a different Dove. This is a pink rose. Do you like that one? This is the last one that we got. We only got 8 bars of soap because I figured that was a lot of soap. Bourbon Cedar. Oh, this one. This is like your heaven. There's soap all over the floor right now. What's the matter? You don't like your selection? So I went upstairs and I got some of the stuff that I have up there. You don't really care for most of these other soaps, so I'm gonna put them away. And you're really not playing along with the wipes at all. Even though in the comfort of your own bathroom, you love wipes. Carmen, you like this one? Which one do you like? I like when you do the glitter ones because it gets all over your little face. It's so sparkly. So he doesn't like any of those. We're looking for a very specific type of soap, I think. I don't think that he likes bath bombs because they have that like baking soda-y smell to them. I think he likes like straight up soap. I guess I'm just trying to figure out why my dog is in the fucking shower all the time. This is Outback Mate. You want to try this one? You smell that? Do you like that one? Uh-oh. Oh, you have another winner! Good boy, bud! You can smell it. Yeah. Wow. This has been a lot. Dogs' noses are so sensitive. He smelled a lot of soap. So I'd say these are the top 3. Irish Spring, Outback Mate from Lush, and Dial.
He tries to eat the dial.
Yeah, this is like a BuzzFeed video. $1 soap versus $20 soap. Don't worry, I'm not gonna throw any of the soap out, okay? So you can have it. Because I know you're gonna want it later when no one's watching you. So you can really get in there. Oh, are you tired? Is this your favorite soap? Is that your favorite? Yeah, I think that's your favorite, huh, bud? If I had to guess, based on his enthusiasm, I would say that Outback by Lush is probably in 3rd place. In fact, there were only 3 soaps that he was really actually interested in at all. They all smell like relatively like masculine, I'd say. Like he doesn't like the florals or the floweries. He's not interested in that kind of soap, which is a little confusing to me because it feels like he's in my shit 24/7. But apparently he's not into that. He's into this sandalwoody, whatever this is. Followed by our number 2, which is this gold bar of Dial. He licked this one. He actually wants to eat this, which concerns me This smells just like a hospital. And in first place, by far, Kermit's favorite soap in the world is Irish Spring. This he immediately gravitated towards, and I'd say he's the most excited about. This video probably can't be that much longer because I think he's getting completely overwhelmed by soap smell. So I know this video is like not that much, like there's not a lot going on, but hey, to be fair, you clicked on a video that says my dog reviews soap, okay? So what did you expect? But in case anyone was wondering, the soap choice of Cermits worldwide is Irish Spring. So if you're a Cermit, or you have a Cermit, you should get them some Irish Spring, because they really like it a lot. They want to rub their face on it. You did good, bud. I know, it's a lot of soap, huh?
I wash my body with Irish Spring every day. And I'm the dominant male in the house. So there's a small chance that maybe he would like to be taking on the scent of the dominant male.
Oh, so you think this is that Kermit wants to smell like the dominant male in the house?
Just a theory.
Yeah, right. You like your soap? Is it because you're sexually attracted to it? Is that your sexuality? Is it soap? Well, thank you for playing along. We're so glad that we figured out what you like so that we can always have some stocked in the bathroom for you so you can rub your little face all over it. Yes, you can. Well, yeah, I mean, that's it. Is this video dumb? Yeah, but what am I gonna do now? We already did it. It's made, it's over, it's done. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put new videos every Wednesday/Thursday. Since you are such a good boy, why don't we see what Cermit prefers? Irish Spring or dog crack? You're a good girl too. What is fucking wrong with him? Please send help to my house. My dog is broken. Subscribe!